Hi everybody, I got a really simple oyster recipe for you today. This should be something you have at home, meant to be assembled pretty quickly, pretty easily. First you're gonna order oysters from Island Creek, and after you've had enough raw, you're gonna have a few left. We're gonna do a baked oyster. So really simple. What we have is just some minced onion, breadcrumbs, garlic, chopped sliced bacon, paprika, butter, and then a little bit of lemon. If you're missing lemon, that's fine. Maybe a tiny bit of vinegar in there, something to substitute. But this is really stuff that you probably have around the house. And what we did is we pre-shucked our oysters and we clean the shells. And then we take a little bit of salt and water and we just kind of make it's almost like this kind of pasty thing that just is used as a pedestal to put the oyster shell on so they sit nice and flat. So the first thing we do is we have our shucked oysters. We just put an oyster back in the shell. Really easy. This is good practice. You can shuck a bunch of these ahead of time. So once our oysters are back in the shell, we've taken all of these things and we've sauteed the bacon, and then we had the onions, garlic, the butter, the paprika, and everything. And this is what it looks like. It ends up looking like this. It's just a nice mixture. You can see the bacon pieces in there. The paprika gives everything a nice color. I have that's smoked paprika that I use, which is a really nice flavor to it. And it shouldn't be super wet. A little bit, but the bacon will kind of be soft and add a little fat to it as you're cooking it. So just a nice, generous amount on top. Right on each oyster. And then you're gonna go in a 400-degree oven. I like the oven a little bit hotter because if the oven's a little bit warmer, we don't want to make these super cooked. We just want everything warm. The topping, the stuffing, so to speak, is already cooked. We just want to make the oyster warm but not rubbery. So hot oven gets everything hot and they come out pretty quickly. So they're going to go in just like that. Boom. This is what they look like when they're cooked. Not much different, but you can kind of see how the bacon got nice and crispy. And a little bit of color. If you really want some crisp breadcrumbs on top, you could turn the broiler on for a minute, but stand there and watch it if you do, because they go really quickly if that happens. And now we just put them on a tray and put them out. Let people enjoy them. So let's try it. Oysters, bacon, paprika, breadcrumbs, so easy. Send me a message if you have any questions about the recipe. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you very much.